Alright, so may mga kanta pala ako ng concert sa Taipei na hindi ko napanood sa live. Kaya ngayon ko papanoorin, men. Hindi pwede, boy. Hindi pwedeng hindi ko mapanood lahat ng kinanta nila doon. Kasi unang-una naiinggit na ako. Pangalawa, kalaban ko na lahat ng naka-attend doon. Kasi napakabastos, napakalapit nila daw. Naiinggit ako, men, ha? Lahat ng Taiwanese kalaban ko. Joke lang. So, panoorin natin tong Mapa. Hindi ko napanood to. Tsaka yung Shooting for the Stars. Hindi ko napanood sa live. Man, nag-live kasi tayo kahapon sa hindi po. Sa mga bago po dito, nag-live kami kahapon. And we get to experience the concert together with the community, with the master. So, if you salamat po kung magsusubscribe kayo. Maraming salamat. That would help the channel po. Maraming salamat. We're trying to 20k. So, okay, panoorin natin yung mapa ng SB19 para sa Taipei. Ay, ano ba yan? Ba't mo napipindot? Huwag mong pindutin. Okay, so, start na natin yan. Sorry for the wait. We're gonna go. We're gonna do this. Okay. Let's go.
Ang galing.
I saw Pablo kneeling down. He's feeling the moment.
You know, I really feel the message of the song. Ken originally composed the song by himself.
Quit!
I really like the message. No matter what you do, don't lose your colors just to please others. Because the best color is not black, not yellow, not red, not blue, violet. It's color you. So, don't quit.
Color you! Double meaning! Every color, every you.
No, just like this confetti. It is so fragile. It is easily to get destroyed. That's scary. But if we take good care of it, it will last longer. And just like our parents to us, they protect us very carefully. They love us. They keep us. And it makes us stronger and better.
May charisma talagang SB19, no?
They're here, our parents. Yes,
our parents
they're
are
here.
watching.
Parents are here. They're watching us there. Here, there. Can you raise your hands? Yes, hello.
Huwag mong tawagin yung parent mo, Josh. Baka mag-wild. Napaka-wild ng mapa.
So,
Yung mga nanay mo rin. Yung mga nanay mo.
yes, also my moms and I love you all.
Mom
I'll be forever
Ferns.
your baby. So please protect me and take care.
Ay!
But so for our next song, we dedicate this to all the parents and to all of you guys. This is Mapa.
Mapa, man. Very international language na din yun, no? Parang kahit sa ibang bansa alam nila yun. Oh my gosh! Ang ganda ng background!
Tayo lagi nakikita, miss na kita sobra.
Man, the vocals!
Lagi na lang kami yung nauuna. Ngayon naman ikaw na muna, akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw aking mata sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iibang dahilan.
May blocking sila, nakaikot sila. Kinakabahan lang ako sa part ni Josh na ito, napakataas. And he eats it every single time, man. Josh Cullen, y'all. My gosh, man. Ang taas na nila, nakatakot, gagi. Taas. Damn! Pablo's voice is sweeping. Oh man, the harmony. Man, the voicing. And Ken. Good. Akala ko gala. Akala ko may pumunta lang, W3 pala. Oh my God! That's how you end that, man. God damn. Wow. SB19 is the best, yo. That's what I've been telling everybody. SB19 is the best. Wow. So that was Mapa by SB19. Hindi ko na siya maalala kung napanood ko kahapon o hindi. Pero I think hindi eh. Na-miss ko ata talaga to. Kasi ngayon ko lang na... Kasi pag nagla-live kasi wala akong earphone. So baka hindi ko siya masyadong narinig doon. Pero right now na habang naka-earphone ako, it's definitely heartfelt. Sobrang sarap talagang makinig ng mga earphone. Kaya nangangarap tayo magkaroon ng PC setup para mas marinig natin, mas maganda, mas maramdaman natin yung video. But nevertheless, it's an amazing performance as always. SB19 has a wonderful voice. Mapa is an amazing song. So even the language is not universal. Filipino is not universal, but the feeling is global. This has been SB19. If you like what you see here, please do subscribe. This has been Curve Speech. That was Cebu Pacific. Hindi nagbabayad din eh. Hayop. And you master has been amazing. You master you have been amazing. Yeah.